What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a large group of viruses. They consist of a core of genetic material surrounded by a lipid envelope with protein spikes. This gave it the appearance of a crown, and from crown, the Latin word which means corona, the name originated. There are different types of coronaviruses that cause illness in animal and humans. In humans, coronaviruses can cause respiratory infections ranging from common cold to more severe diseases. These include the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, first identified in China in 2003. Then the Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus that was first identified in Saudi Arabia in 2012. And now SARS-CoV-19, which is the virus that causes COVID-19, is first reported in December 2019. Is a family of viruses affecting respiratory tract, causing diseases from common cold to pneumonia, usually live in bats and other animals, transmitted to human directly or via other animals. Can also transmit between human via respiratory droplets. How it originated. In December 2019, there was a cluster of pneumonia cases in the city of Wuhan in China. Some of the early cases had reported visiting or working in a seafood and live animal market. Investigations found that the disease was caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. The disease was subsequently named COVID-19. COVID-19 spread within China and across the world. On January 30th, 2020, WHO declared outbreak public health emergency of international concern. On March 11, 2020, WHO declared COVID-19 a global pandemic. It first such designation since declaring H1N1 influenza a pandemic in 2009. What are the symptoms? The symptoms of coronavirus include shortness of breath, diarrhea, coughing or sneezing, high fever, vomiting, and pneumonia. Incubation period, which is the time taken from exposure to the virus and development of symptoms, is on average 5 to 6 days but can range from 1 to 14 days. There can be a range of symptoms from very mild to severe, and even some people may not develop any symptom. Common symptoms include fever, fatigue, respiratory symptoms such as cough, sore throat, shortness of breath. Some people report of their sense of taste or smell, and some may develop a skin rash. In more severe cases, there could be pneumonia, organ failure, and sometimes even death. About 80% of cases recover from disease without needing special treatment. Mortality rate is low, on 2 to 3%. But there are some people who are at risk of serious illness. They include older people or people with underlying medical problems such as chronic respiratory diseases, obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, or cancer. The people who smoke are also at a great risk of exposure. COVID-19 spreads. we can prevent the transmission of coronavirus. We can prevent the transmission of coronavirus by covering our mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing with a flexed elbow or a tissue and immediately discarding the tissue. Washing our hands regularly with soap and water or alcohol-based sanitizer by keeping social distancing, at least a distance of 6 meters, by using masks and preventive measures (PPEs), by avoiding going out without any reason, by cleaning and disinfecting our houses and vehicles, monitoring our health daily, by following the travel advisory. Do not panic and stay away from unauthentic information. Only trust official social media sites. There is a lot of unauthentic information about COVID which is causing panic among citizens. What one should do if he suspect having contracted coronavirus? Monitor your symptoms, rest and stay hydrated, call your doctor and inform him about your condition. Cover your coughs and sneezes and immediately discard the tissues. Wash your hands, use a separate bathroom, avoid sharing personal items, avoid personal contact, clean all surfaces, touch often. You can follow these 3 steps of diagnosis: self-isolation and self-quarantine. What to do if one have contracted coronavirus? These are the guidelines for ill people, these are the guidelines for caregivers, and these are the guidelines for all the members of household which persons have contracted coronavirus. Following are the resources from where we got our material. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and comment. How